And another thing, we have to stop making everybody feel like they the same, or that ain't nobody better than the next person. That's bullshit. Now, in the essence of us all as human beings, yes, we're all the same. You know, nobody's better than the next. But if someone puts, dedicates their life to being a better individual, and you got somebody that don't try, that's a damn lie. They ain't shit. If you ain't shit, you ain't shit. Period. You don't get to not try to do nothing better for yourself in this world, or for your children, or for your family, and then still you somebody. This is not Little League. You know what I'm saying? We're adults around here. Everybody don't win. So let's stop doing that, because we're actually harming our people more than we're helping them. If you ain't shit, you ain't shit. Stand on it.